You will only get this effect right if you follow these steps. Set your slide size very small, 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters. A lot of space is required, as you will see in the last step. Choose a background picture and place a rectangle over it. Place a text box over the rectangle with your message. Choose a fat font for your text box. The last step will show you why it should be a fat one. Select your text box and the rectangle. Use merge shapes and combine function to reveal cutout letters. Duplicate the slide and use Morph transition on second slide. Zoom workspace as small as you can and make cutout as big as possible. It should look like this. Play the presentation from slide 1. Please read the description for links to this presentation.